If you've been looking for a bungalow in Collingwood that's close to downtown, close to the hospital, and close to Sunset Point Park, this little gem could be exactly what you've been looking for. My name's Rebecca Ness. I'm a local real estate agent, and today I'm happy to be touring this little house with you. Everything in this house is brand new. The owners bought it last year and took it back to the studs. From the walls to the floors to the ceiling with pot lights, the windows, the tub, the toilet, the sink, everything is brand new. This is a little bedroom, or it could be a sitting room. There's a second entrance to the house with a closet and a stacked washer dryer. Everything in the kitchen is brand new, of course, just like the rest of the house, with a view out to the yard where they've just put a new fence. It's key to have a garage in Canada, so you've got that as well. Down the hall, you've got a second little bedroom and a furnace room with a hot water tank. The furnace, I believe, is 2 years old, but I'll have to verify that. This little bedroom or office could have a bunk bed or a desk or whatever suits you. It's like a new build. It's like a condo without the fees. Walking distance to everything. Really convenient. It'd be great for a couple, a retired couple, or a newly married couple who are buying their first home. This is the larger primary bedroom with 2 bright windows, a second bathroom, and a spacious closet. You can literally move into this home and not worry about anything because everything's just been done.